Liam Crawley and welcome to my first episode of Cook It Like Crawley in the Wild. Today we're down on the beautiful south coast of New South Wales, absolutely pristine water and absolutely beautiful fresh fish. Now today we're going to be collecting beach worms, we're going to be catching nice whiting, and then we're going to go back up onto the sand and get cooking. So come on with me and let's go on a journey together. So we're down here in the sand, we've got milchids in our bag, and I've just, absolutely beautiful beach worm here. So we're going to take this and we're going to go and fish for some beautiful sand whiting on the beach, and that is beautiful water down here on the south coast. So we're down here with George from Fishing with the Local, Cook It Like Crawley in the Wild. Now tell me, George, what are we looking for on the beach today? What are we aiming to catch with our chunky beach worms that we got before?
Well, we've got the best bait, like you said, beach worms. We got Fishing with a Local light tackle rigs, light tackle equipment that I use on the tours. Absolutely deadly for catching sand whiting. What we've done today is we picked a place that's facing the swell. There's a small south swell running, so we picked a north corner, so as the beach curls around, we're getting as much of the swell as we can. Other beaches that face a bit further north won't be getting as much swell today, so we picked a place that's getting plenty of swell. We're in the corner.
Great cover as well.
It's got some great cover from the wind. The wind's coming northeast, and we've got a cliff, a headland in front of us that's blocking the wind. So we've got the swell, the maximum swell, we've got blockage from the wind. We're also, by fishing next to the rocks, we've also got species that we might not catch in the middle of the beach. Potentially we could catch drummer or ludwig in this corner of the beach near the rocks. So we're beach fishing, but we'll be swinging our baits in within 10 to 15 metres of the rocks. That gives us a chance of catching almost anything.
That's sensational. Well, let's get out and get fishing, and so we can get cooking. Let's go, George.
All right.
So we've just got our rods in the water, light tackle, chunky beach worms. Now shouldn't be that long before we start reeling in some beautiful whiting, getting them on our char grill this afternoon. Absolutely pristine water here. Doesn't get any better than this. So we've just caught our first sand whiting for the day. Lovely little fish, and we're going to give it a measure and see how we go. Got a little bit of weight in it.
Come back a bit, we'll give it a measure. I reckon it'll be under, but
100% it is.
But we'll just see, get our eye in for the day, you know. 25 and a half. So that will go back.
So this one's only at 25 centimetres, so we're going to take it off and send it on back to the ocean where it belongs. Gorgeous little fish. Look at that. But definitely what we're chasing today. Yibbity yibbity, guys. That's all, folks.
Here we go, guys. Got a fish on. Don't know what it is yet. Whoa, it's fighting hard. That's why it's so important to have these super flexible rods. So, got sand whiting.
Oh, beauty.
I'm not sure if this one will be legal. In fact, I can tell that one definitely isn't going to be legal. So we'll throw this one back, but it's actually what we're after. If you look there, look how lightly hooked it is, just in the lip. And it's tore a little bit of skin there. So if you let the line go slack, see how easy these hooks come out, just like that. So this one's going to go back.
Little fish.
Yeah, lovely little fish. How's your juggling?
Slippery little
How's your juggling? Let's have a little look. That's what we're after. I'd say that would be about 25, and we're looking for the legal size in New South Wales as of 2024 September 100%. Is 27. So 27 centimetres. So we'll just chuck that one back.
You're going back, little buddy.
Yeah, and it's 2 hours before high tide, so we've still got every chance of pulling out some bigger fish.
100%. So after a great day down on the south coast today, our beach worms didn't get what we were looking for. We were after some whiting, but we managed to pick up a couple of flatty and a nice snapper. So what we're going to do, I thought we'd do a really nice, simple tortilla, a nice wrap with the snapper. We've got some beautiful sauces. We've got some amazing kilties, kiwi and a jalapeno hot sauce. So we're going to marinate this beautiful fish in some of this on a hot grill, and it should be absolutely spectacular, all wrapped up with a nice salad. So we've got a nice snapper here which we managed to catch just round in the bay, round closer to the rocks, just as we're getting to the end of our session today. Absolutely gorgeous sized fish, got a nice weight to it. It's probably just over a kilo, I'd say. So we're just going to take these fillets off of the fish, give our filleting knife a little sharp start. This snapper, got a few bones in there, but nothing major. Just going to take it off the wing here. So we're going to be popping them in a tortilla. Prepare this fish. Just going to come around the inside, just to remove those feather bones which are running down the side. Just want to pop the snapper fillets in there, and we're going to put some of this kiwi and jalapeno, absolutely gorgeous. Paddy from Kilty Sauces does an absolutely stellar job and makes some of the best sauces in the Southern Highlands, and I feel in Australia. So we've got that. I'm just going to pop in a bit of olive oil as well, and we're just going to get that fish all up in there. We're going to get it all in the corners, all over the skin, and we'll always go skin side down. So just going to paint the grill. Got enough oil in there just to give it a nice seasoning. Seasoning your barbecue or your grill really stops everything from sticking when you're cooking it. Down she goes. So now she's on there, a nice little paint. Get that sauce right in there. Yum. It smells absolutely cracker right now. I wish everybody at home could smell what I'm smelling. Absolutely adorable. So our fish is cooking away absolutely beautifully. Those smells are absolutely fantastic. We just want to give it a light seasoning with some salt, and we can leave that to cook. Now what we're going to do, we've got some nice tortillas here which will give a nice light grill in a sec. Just going to make a nice simple side salad to go on the inside of it and wrap it all up. It should be absolutely delicious. So we've got our salad in there. Just going to give it a nice little squeeze of lime. Just like so. When it comes to food, we really don't need to overcomplicate things. A lot of people think that you need a million ingredients to make something taste good, but you really don't. Simplicity is the best food. So this fish, we've started cooking it, and obviously not all things go to plan when we're cooking. We only have one fish, so it's really, really delicate, really, really soft and juicy. So we're going to pop just a lid over the top of it, just to let that steam, and that smoke just really hit the top of it. So we've got one there already done, and we're just going to finish off with number 2. Always need that little bit extra. It's been a long day out in the fresh air. You want a good feed, finish off your day nicely. Nothing better than a nice simple wrap. I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of drizzle that over the top. So there we have it. We've got our South Coast snapper, fresh from the rocks. We've got beautiful kilties, kiwi and jalapeno sauce with a beautiful fresh salad. Nothing better than that. Now, if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, go to Cook It Like Crawley on YouTube, hit subscribe and follow the playlist to Cook It Like Crawley in the wild. Now, all I have to say is, that's a wrap.